What up, what up, what up? We got a 2013 Chevy Sonic with a turbo. Well, you can tell it's because it's got a turbo right there. It's also going to be a 1.4 liter. If you look right there on the emissions sticker, 1.4 is a turbo, 1.8 is non-turbo. All right, so this is just we're going to do the water. I'm just going to do a walkthrough of the water outlet. There's only 3 inverted Torxes. You can use a 8mm to take these out, but you see there's your 8mm bolts, 1, 2, and 3 down there on the bottom. Just got an electrical connector here. You got a 8mm here, 2 8mm holding in these hoses right here. Just one hose right here, the other hose right here. I just moved them out the way. And then of course, you know, this is a 7mm holding on your air pipe. I just took that out and I just unplugged. Okay, so this, I pulled this off. This is gonna break on you probably if you don't do it this way. So really, you pull out this tab, this little clip, and it's gonna come out. Now the new part is gonna have this bottom piece, which actually releases. You gotta have to push this in, and you want this little bottom piece right here. See how I'm turning it? I'm actually, see how I can spin this part? That's the part that's going to come with the new piece. So this top part you want to retain, but oftentimes it's going to break. And then you got to get, sometimes they sell it like as a whole tube, but there's that top part that usually breaks on you. It's very brittle, especially if you let it overheat. But that's it. That's all it is to it. And then I just took out, you know, unplugged this. This goes here, and this right here. I'll just unplug from over wherever it is. But anyways, that's all it is to it. This is your water outlet. Just got to undo that bottom one, and then you just replace the whole thing. Your thermostat is actually right here. We're doing that also, but this is your thermostat right here. And to get to that, you're just gonna have to take off the air duct, and then we're just gonna move some of this stuff out of the way here, and we'll do that next.